Doing another video. So in the last video I gave you a sneak in the last gaming video I gave you a sneak peek, which is fidget spinner. So today I'm with my little sister Lejean. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Lejean. I want to be a singer when I grow up.
Okay. Singer, wrestler, which should be. So in the last video I said fidget spinner, and I showed you guys a black package. So there's like this new thing, fidget spinners, right? And I've had a blue one, but I lost it. Well, my sister did. Not her, my other little sister. Don't do that. You're really gonna mess up this. So this is one of I don't know what this is called, but I think it's rare fidget spinner. I got it like 2 days ago, yesterday or something like that. Spins very well. Spins good. Stop. Look, it spins good. And I haven't tested out how long it spins, but it spins for a pretty good time.
And this one glows in the dark, and
not all of it. Wait.
Well, just the green stripe in the dark.
The green. This is called the FQ777 fidget spinner. So it's all it's not gold, it's all metal, and the caps twist off. I won't do that. It's probably because I don't feel like assembling it again. So it spins because it's heavy. It has a nice weight to it, like a very nice weight to it. I like it, and you can customize it, which you can take off these. These things right here. It has 6 on them each. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You just told them there are 6.
And you can twist it off. So I'm gonna twist it off, and I'll make it become a tri-spinner, like a normal fidget spinner.
And sometimes you can just take it off and just leave it. But if you just take this both, and if you take both of them off, they really don't spin that much.
Yeah. And oh wait, show them the littlest bearing. This is like the smallest bearing I've seen in my life. Let me open this really quick. Don't mess with that. Show them after. Put it right here. Alright, so that's the smallest bearing I've seen. Look how small that is. Ball bearing. It's so small. I'm thinking of customizing this fidget spinner. I'm thinking of it. I want to try to buy some place where I can customize it and stuff like that.
Sometimes you could design it your own way. You could design it your own color.
I got it. It looks kind of like a flame. You know how it's orange and yellow sometimes?
Don't that look like a starfish?
Kind of. Or it can be a guy. See,
yeah.
His head,
arms, and legs.
Stomach. So this is the FQ777. And I took off these other 3. So these have a pretty nice weight to them also. Yeah. Don't put that in your mouth. You're gonna kill yourself over here. And it's a choking hazard. So this is what it looks like. Tri-spinner version.
You see it's quiet.
You see little green stripes on here?
Like the other 3 3-sider ones are very, they make noise, and this one is quiet. But as soon as you do it way up to your ear, you can hear a kind of spinning sound. So
this is a tri-spinner, and it spins good, even though it doesn't have 3 because it's still even. And it spins pretty good.
Yeah, faster than this one. Have a challenge.
I'ma put this one in, and I'm going to switch this one to right here. And yes, there's an 8-ball bearing in 8-ball.
Oh, my
A
hair,
ball
my hair is
bearing
crazy.
inside of it. Wait, yeah, I did that wrong.
Is this gonna be over a little
Yeah. So this is another way of doing it. Spins,
Yes,
it still
yes,
spins
yes.
good.
Have a challenge. Have a challenge.
So wait, let me fix that. Sorry about that. My voice right now. Need to repair that? Okay, now do it. I'll put that one there. Twist that one in. Bruh. Alright, no, I did that wrong. Where'd the other way go? Oh yeah, there's only 2 left on there. So, like this. Bruh. It's real metal. It's just painted gold. Give it that look.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're back. What was this plan? Abomination of
You see this? I can't even really pick it up because in this part, it fell. And usually it stands. Look. Because usually it stands. Look. Spins.
They can't see that.
Spins. Whatever.
Are you gonna show?
Oh my god.
Now it's turning into a vlog. I was alright. Let me put that back.
You know. Oh my god.
What was this? What were you talking about?
You see it's lighter and you can pick it up. And look at this.
You can still pick it up, Dejan.
And watch this. Just watch.
These nuts.
Crazy.
I see you.
I know that.
They know I'm not. Well, my intro says that, so. Haha.
Yeah, and you see that? I can't really do it like I used to do it. And sometimes it could just.
Stop. Don't pull it off. Don't pull it off. You have to twist. Let go of it. Don't pull it off and mess up the spin, bro. Chill out. Mess up my thing.
Oh my god.
So
that's over.
alright, we're gonna have a spin challenge. Are you ready?
Got it.
Wait. Alright, while we're just checking out our spins, we'll cut it. Alright, so we're doing the spin challenge. Okay, so we'll have to get down. So we're gonna be spinning it and see whose lasts the longest. Okay, so you ready? Not right there. Down there. You ready? You spin it first.
No.
No, I'll spin it first. I'll spin mine first. Alright, ready? Set. Wait. Are all of them tight? Yeah. Ready, set. Alright.
It's gonna be his.
Mine's is heavier, so it puts more weight on it for it to spin longer. But
He just does that. Don't blame me. That's his.
I spin yours twice. Like way more than mine. If yours loses now, I swear. You just don't.
What if this is a tie?
It can't happen. You know what? Let's restart. Your pads aren't on correctly. sorry. My bad. Let me fix that. I have no shoes on, so.
I wasn't talking to you.
Alcohol.
Cousin.
No. What's wrong with you?
Sis.
Don't be weird in my videos, yo. It does matter. Stop, bro. You and my friend Angel, you need to chill. Alright. Stop. Alright, stop dragging it, bruh. Chill.
Just did.
Alright, so, what are we about to do?
Mm.
I forgot what I was about to do.
Mm.
Oh yeah, I was fixing my bearing. And we're gonna restart the race. So let's get it. We're about to end the video in a little. So just to spin, whoever lasts is longer. 3. Just keep on start spinning yours. 3, 2, 1.